Hello everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel of Government Loya College, Churu. I am Dr. Sunita Meena, Assistant Professor English. Uh, Today we are going to discuss 6th chapter of the Poetics by Aristotle. Poetics is included in your MA Finals first paper, Principles of Literary Criticism. In this chapter, Aristotle defines tragedy and its 6 parts. Tragedy is an imitation of an action that is serious, complete, and of a certain magnitude. In language embellished with each kind of artistic ornament, the several kinds being found in separate parts of the play in a dramatic, not narrative form through pity and fear, effecting the catharsis of these and kindred emotions. Language embellished means language into which rhythm, harmony, and song enter. The several kinds being found in separate parts of the play means that some parts are rendered through the medium of words alone, while others are rendered with the aid of song. As tragic imitation implies persons acting, it necessarily follows that spectacular equipment will be a part of tragedy. Song and diction are also parts of a tragedy because they are both the medium of imitation. The word diction means the mere metrical arrangement of the words. Aristotle says that tragedy is the imitation of an action. An action implies agents or doers who necessarily possess certain distinctive qualities both of character and thought. Character and thought are the two natural sources of actions, and on actions does the success or failure of a play depend. The plot of tragedy means the imitation of the action. At the same time, the plot means the arrangement of the incidents. Every tragedy, therefore, must have 6 parts, namely plot, character, diction, thought, spectacle, and song. These 6 parts would determine the quality of a tragic play. Two of the parts, diction and song, constitute the medium of imitation. One of these parts, namely spectacle, constitutes the manner of imitation, while the remaining three, namely the plot, the characters, and the thought, constitute the objects of imitation. The most important of all the parts of a tragedy is the structure of the incidents, because tragedy is an imitation not of man but of an action and of life. Character determines man's qualities, but it is by their actions that they are happy or unhappy. Dramatic action, therefore, does not aim at the representation of character. Character comes in as subsidiary to the actions. Hence, the incidents and the plot are the end of a tragedy. Furthermore, without action, there cannot be a tragedy, though there may be one without character. By putting together a number of speeches expressive of character, and by using appropriate diction and thought, a dramatist cannot produce the essential tragic effect so well as he can by writing a play which, however deficient in these respects, yet has a plot and artistically constructed incidents. Besides the most powerful elements of emotional interest in tragedy are reversal of the situation, that is peripecia, and the scenes of recognition, and these are the parts of the plot. The plot then is the first principle and the soul of a tragedy. Character holds the second place. Third in order is thought, which means the faculty of saying what is possible and pertinent in given circumstances. Character is that which reveals moral purpose, showing what kind of things a man chooses or avoids. Speeches which do not indicate a speaker's choice of things or his avoidance of things are not expressive of character. Thought, on the other hand, is found where something is proved to be or not to be, or where a general maxim is enunciated. Fourth among the parts of a tragedy is diction, which means the expression of the meaning in words. Its Its essence is the same both in verse and prose. Of the remaining parts, song holds the chief place among the embellishments. Then comes spectacle, which surely has an emotional attraction of its own, but which is the least artistic and least connected with the art of poetry. The power of tragedy can be felt even apart from spectacle, apart from the performance of a play on the stage, and apart from the actors who are to present the characters on the stage. Besides, the production of spectacular effects depends upon the stage manager rather than upon the poet.